Trying to install an app on your Hisense TV but can't find where to download it, or maybe the app you're looking for isn't showing up at all. The good news is that installing apps on a Hisense Smart TV is usually quick and easy once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install apps on a Hisense Smart TV and what to do if the App Store is not behaving the way you expect. And before we get started, if simple tech tips save you time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Before we start, it's important to know which operating system your TV uses, because Android TV, Google TV, and VIDAA all use slightly different app stores. Once you know which system your TV is running, the installation process becomes much easier. If your TV uses Android TV or Google TV, start from the home screen and open the Apps section. Look for an option called Get More Apps and select it. This will open the Google Play Store. If you're asked to sign in, use your Google account, because app downloads require a Google account. Once the Play Store opens, browse through the available apps or use the search icon to find a specific one. Enter the name of the app you want, then select it from the search results. On the app page, choose Install. The TV will download and install the app automatically. Once the installation finishes, open the app and make sure it launches correctly. If it does, you're all set. If you want quicker access to the app, return to the home screen and add it to your main apps row if your TV supports that option. You can also highlight the app, press and hold the OK button on your remote, and select Move to place it wherever you want on the home screen. If your Hisense TV uses VIDAA, press the Home button on your remote and open the App Store from the main screen. Inside the VIDAA App Store, browse through the available apps or use the search icon to find a specific app. When you find the app you want, open its page and select Install or Download. Wait for the installation to finish, then return to the home screen where the app should appear in the app bar. Now let's look at a few common problems. If you search for an app and it does not appear, double-check the spelling and search again. If it still doesn't show up, the app may not be available for your TV's operating system. Some apps available on phones, tablets, or streaming devices may not be supported on certain Hisense TV models. If the Play Store or App Store refuses to load, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. You can also restart your router and reconnect the TV to Wi-Fi before trying again. If an app will not install or the download keeps failing, check that your TV has enough available storage space. Removing unused apps can often solve installation problem. If the app installs successfully but you cannot find it, check the full apps list, because some TVs automatically place new apps in a different location or sort them alphabetically. Quick note, I've added links to some of the accessories and devices I recommend in the description below. Some of these may be affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. If your TV supports Google Assistant, press the Assistant button on the remote and say the name of the app instead of typing it manually. This is often much faster and easier than entering text with the remote. That's it for this video on how to install apps on a Hisense Smart TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you download and install the apps you want without any confusion. If this video helped you install an app, let me know which one in the comments below. And if you couldn't find a specific app, tell me the app name and your TV model. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.